So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is flashing us a very interesting scenario. A scenario which is pointing us where the price in the immediate short term and even for the upcoming days might be possibly heading. So before I jump into this content, before I start talking about these interesting scenarios, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now, if you look at this price action of Bitcoin here in a daily time frame using this falling channel or descending channel breakout formation, you can see, guys, the new all-time high is imminent. I mean, price of Bitcoin has already overcome the resistance from this falling channel, right, or descending channel. You can see the upper trend line previously rejected us, and the price also started to form lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern. But now, if you look at this breakout, this is a bullish breakout. I mean, we have started to form a new higher highs, and now any sort of a pullback will be just a temporary pullback, and price is expected to continue in this manner. I mean, this bullish breakout formation is playing out with a new all-time high in the line. I mean, Bitcoin has already broken out of some of the key line of resistance, and now even in a weekly time frame during this uptrend, ascending triangle breakout, bullish continuation pattern, descending broadening wedge breakout, bullish continuation pattern, and now this here is a falling wedge, another bullish continuation pattern. So if this bullish continuation pattern continues, just like what I showed you with this breakout from this descending channel, a new all-time high is imminent, which could bring the price of Bitcoin in between 110 120,000. And why in between that range? Because we are expecting this Elliott wave theory function also to play out parallelly. I mean, wave 1, wave 3, wave 5 are impulsive wave, whereas wave 2, wave 4 are corrective wave. And if you look in our case, for this bullish continuation pattern to play out, first we need to complete this impulsive wave 5, which in our case could be in between 110 120,000, and that is also a new all-time high before starting with a corrective move A, B, C. Yes, guys, even according to Elliott wave theory, Bitcoin has a very high probability of making a new all-time high, get attracted in between 110 120,000 before choosing an actual trend direction. And it's not just only now this Elliott wave pointing us 110 120,000 could be on the line, falling wedge in a weekly time frame pointing us 110 120,000 could be on the line, falling channel or descending channel pointing us 110 120,000 could be on the line. But even the leading indicator, yes, guys, according to our leading indicator, the price of Bitcoin has touched the first resistance for the month of January. And we know each and every time whenever the price touches the monthly R1 line, what usually happens whenever the price of Bitcoin prepare itself for a new uptrend and price also tests the resistance from the first target, that usually means we are bullish, and even the upcoming month is going to be bullish. Yes, guys, the current month and even the upcoming month is going to be bullish according to this ascending sepia whenever we touch the monthly R1 line. And in our case, exactly after touching the monthly R1 line or 104,000, you can see we are facing resistance. But this is a very good news, because even if the price starts showing a move like this but remains above the sepia trend line, the month of Feb is also going to be a bullish month, because price in that case will be printing a new ascending sepia higher than the previous month. And we know ascending sepia only gets formed during uptrend. But for this month, there is a possibility of price also getting attracted towards this key resistance line, the monthly R2 line, and even the no-brainer price target, which sits around 121,000. So you can see, guys, if the price of Bitcoin breaks the resistance from this 104,000, the monthly R1 line, then this R2 and even the no-brainer price target R3 line will be attracting us around 114,000 and even around 121,000. Yes, this is a clear sign that the upcoming days for Bitcoin is going to be bullish according to this leading indicator. And even if you look at this bearish continuation pattern, right angle ascending broadening wedge, you can see before this bearish continuation starts playing out, first there could be a move. Price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted towards this upper trend line, just like from this past price action. I mean, you can see after testing the lower trend line, we got attracted towards the upper trend line before showing a move in this manner. So in our case, we have tested this twice, forming a perfect double bottom type of structure, and now this could be resulting in a continuation in this manner. And if this plays out, if this bearish continuation pattern plays out, first there could be a move around this upper trend line, and this upper trend line also sits around 121,000 range. So before expecting a move like this, a bearish continuation, first Bitcoin could be making a new all-time high. And now, beside all of this example, if you look at this monthly time frame, I mean, we looked at it in a smaller time frame, daily time frame, weekly time frame, and now in a monthly time frame, you can see this is a bullish continuation pattern. Each and every time whenever the price of Bitcoin started with an actual mark of phase, what happened before starting with an actual mark of phase, the price of Bitcoin broke the resistance, key line of resistance from this 0.618 Fibonacci line, and only after that we had an actual bullish move. Same thing happened here. We got rejected during this uptrend. You can see after finding bottom, we got rejected when we reached around this 0.618 Fibonacci line. But when we overcame this resistance, we had an actual bullish move. Same thing has repeated again and again. You can see this 0.618 Fibonacci line always acted as a resistance, but when we were above it, when the price broke above it, we had an actual bullish move. So if you look in our case, we are clearly above this 0.618 Fibonacci line. So according to this bullish continuation pattern, you can see the upcoming days for Bitcoin looks bullish. Yes guys, even in a monthly time frame, this breakout from 0.6 Fibonacci line is pointing us that a new all-time high could be imminent, and price of Bitcoin could be getting attracted in between 110, 120,000, even up to 130,000 before choosing an actual trend duration. So any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, please do not panic. The same trend line which previously rejected us will be holding the price of Bitcoin above 100,000. And even if we fall below 100,000, please do not worry. That will be just a temporary pullback in my opinion, because above 95,000, we have extremely strong support line for Bitcoin. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't claimed bonuses which are available for our community members from Phemex, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.